Introduction to lemon water and detoxification.
Lemon water is a popular health drink often linked to detoxification and cleansing. But how much of its reputation is supported by science? In this video, we'll explore the real benefits of lemon water, what detoxification means in the body, and how incorporating this simple drink into your routine may affect your overall health and wellness.
What does detoxification mean?
Detoxification refers to the body's natural process of removing toxins through organs like the liver and kidneys. Unlike many detox diets, your body doesn't usually need special drinks to remove waste. However, staying hydrated, supporting liver function, and promoting healthy digestion can enhance your body's own detox systems. Lemon water may play a role in these processes.
Potential benefits of lemon water for detox.
Drinking lemon water keeps you hydrated, which is crucial for flushing out waste products through urine. Lemons add vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports immune function and may help protect cells. While lemon water won't magically detox your body, it can support the organs that do. The key benefits are improved hydration, better digestion, and a small boost in antioxidants.
How to use lemon water effectively.
For best results, squeeze half a lemon into a glass of water and enjoy it in the morning or throughout the day. Use fresh lemons for maximum vitamin C. While lemon water is safe for most people, drinking it with a straw can help protect dental enamel from acidity. Remember, lemon water should complement, not replace, a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle.
The bottom line, evidence-based insights.
Lemon water is no magic detox cure, but it offers clear benefits: hydration, vitamin C, and digestive support. It helps your body's natural detox processes function smoothly when paired with other healthy habits like good nutrition and regular exercise. If you enjoy the taste, lemon water is a refreshing and evidence-based way to support wellness each day.